Hello and welcome to Advanced Driving Tuition. In this video we're going to do a Sharston Roundabout from Princess Parkway. So you can see the roundabout sign coming up. We're going to follow the sign to Cheadle from here, which is the first exit at the roundabout. So we've already given a signal. We're going to slow down and stop the car if we have to. If it's clear, we're okay to carry on. Speed on this road is 30 miles an hour. Check the mirror to see everything's okay behind. As you can see on the roundabout sign, Cheadle is the first exit, which is a straight ahead. So we're approaching the roundabout, slow down again. Keep an eye on the right side, who's coming. If someone's coming, they have a right of way, so we need to stop the car for them. If no, we're okay to carry on. So we're going to take a first exit. So from here, we're going to be following the sat nav. We need to be in the right lane because we're turning right. This roundabout controlled with the traffic light.
Yards, go round the roundabout, fourth exit.
So we're going to take a fourth exit from here now. So we're okay to give a signal from here.
At your destination at 1:40 p.m.
So we drove past the first exit. Still stay in the right lane. That's the second exit now. So we're going to take a fourth exit. So we're okay to stay in the right lane. As soon as we drive past the third exit, we need to be in the left lane to go left onto fourth exit. So we already positioned ourselves into the left lane.
Cross the roundabout.
Speed on this road is 30 miles an hour.
After 300 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit.
So we're going to take a second exit from here, which is Manchester. As you can see, the triangle says 100 yards away there's a roundabout. So we need to slow down.
Roundabout, second exit.
Just going to make sure who's coming from the right. If someone's there, we stop the car. If no, we're okay to carry on. So we're going to take a second exit from here now. As soon as you pass the first exit, signal left.
Take the exit, then go right on the roundabout.
So the sat nav already told you that you're going to be turning right very soon now. So look in the center mirror, look in the right mirror. It's clear to go into the right lane. Change your lane.
After 300 yards, go right on the roundabout, third exit.
So we're going to be going to the right lane now. It's clear to go into the right lane. From this roundabout, we're going to take a third exit, which is right at the roundabout.
Roundabout, third exit.
So we drove past the first exit. We still got the signal right. We're coming close to the second exit now. Look in the center mirror. Look in the left mirror. If it's clear, signal left and go into the left lane.
Exit, then keep right.
The speed on this road is 50 miles an hour, so we need to build the speed up on this slip road.
After 500 yards, keep right.
Look in the center mirror, look in the right mirror. If it's clear, we're going to be joining the dual carriageway. And now stay in the left lane. Now this left lane will take you to the test center. Speed on this road is 50 miles an hour. Speed varies on this road. It goes from 50 to 40 and 40 to 30. So it's just going to keep on going straight now in this lane. Keep an eye on the cars on the left hand side. Now you can see the speed sign coming up. It says 40, so we need to bring the speed to 40 miles an hour just before you go through the sign.
Ahead, keep left.
Now you can see the speed sign. It says 30 miles an hour, so we need to bring the speed down. Bus got the signal on, so we're going to keep an eye on the bus. So it's not making a move, so we're okay to keep going.
After 400 yards, bear left, then turn left.
So from here we're going to be following the sign to Charlton. As you can see the exit lane. Look in the center mirror, look in the left mirror, signal left.
Bear left, then turn left.
Speed is still 30 miles an hour here.
After 300 yards, turn left, then turn left.
From the next traffic light we need to turn left.
Turn left, then turn left.
Look in the left mirror for the cycler before you turn left and stay in the left lane. Speed is 20 miles an hour on this road.
Turn left, then you have reached your destination.
After the barrier, speed goes to 10 miles an hour. I'm going to take a second turn to the left. Look in the center mirror, look in the left mirror, signal left. Drive nice and slowly around this bend. If there's no base available, examiner will ask you to stop the car on these double yellow lines. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more test routes. Please like, share and leave a comment. Thank you.